Welcome to BOKIANO Online TV. Our today's theme will be regarding CDF Chairman Rashid Mali Mohamud, Mandera South Constituency CDF Chairman. Philosopher says, give credit to where credit is due. Mandera South Constituency was blessed to have the best CDF Chairman in the county of Mandera under the leadership of Hon Abdul Korre. The philanthropic CDF chairman is working day in out to maximize utilization of finance in the CDF kitty. This has seen all the wards of Mandera South constituency get an equitable shares. Health, security, education, agriculture, business, and infrastructure sectors are on another level in every ward under his supervision. This has seen many combat poverty at the grassroots, and that is what is required for CDF chairman. CDF chairman of Mandera South Rashid Mali Mahmoud, we can go without talking about him. His aggression, his rejuvenated energy, his dedicated servanthood, the list is endless. His influential track record speaks for him. I have no doubt in mind that the great people of Mandera South constituency who are sound-minded and are very proud of this man because of his value, preposition, and in terms of delivery service for the resident. Glowing to deliver service to the people of Mandera South constituency, he serves with integrity. History will always judge him kindly. We shall always give credit to where it is due. The chairman stood up with his own people during the period of harsh calamities like drought, floods, and famine in this few duration of him in the office. His presence in Mandera South constituency always sunshine. The resilient with his generous hand of help to the poor, elderly women, and youth empowerment through 2 consecutive football tournaments within a year in another office. He is transparent chairman of all, honest and generous chair in El Mandera South constituency. He disperses bursary for the poor schools going children that show the chair value education for all. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless him for the extending bursary to every household within Mandera South constituency and ensure no children misses the bursary. God bless you abundantly. You will continue to lead this constituency for long. Welcome once again to BOKIANO Online TV.